Hi, my name's Grace. I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand, and I am doing the 200-hour Ashtanga Vinyasa hybrid course. One of the most challenging parts about becoming a yoga teacher is finding your confidence and your voice in order to really feel confident in your ability to teach a class. And I think in this training, we begin doing student teaching from day one. It can feel a bit awkward and uncomfortable at first, but you slowly improve and find your voice and get better and better. One thing I will miss the most is just the connection and being surrounded, fully immersed in the yogic lifestyle with people who truly believe in similar things that you believe and want to improve in the same way you want to improve. There's so much power in the connection of being with like-minded people. During partner yoga, we did a lot of connection exercises to begin with and talking about trust and what trust means to us and the people we trust in our lives. And I think that was a really special moment to connect with someone and understand them on a bit of a deeper level. Yeah, there's so many avenues of yoga that I just haven't been exposed to in the past. And so it has been really good to dive deeper into different topics to actually understand the roots of them and the meaning behind them, and really get a deeper understanding of living a yogi lifestyle. Teachers at Sampoorna have been amazing. It's been really nice to connect with them in class and outside of class, and I've really felt a lot of care from them while we're going through a lot of stressful and exciting times during training. Beyond anything you could have imagined, if there's something you really want to do for yourself and you feel like this is the path for you, I really would advise coming to Sampoorna. It's been life-changing.